Itano Kikou Company Limited is celebrating its 70th anniversary this year. We proudly would like to announce that our new head office has been innovatively designed and completed in Imabu, Okayama City. In June 2016, our new factory attached to the west side of the new office building will start operating. We are evolving from a general trading company of machinery, equipment and parts into a multifunctional company with manufacturing capability. The new head office, 50 meters south of the former head office, has a good atmosphere at the gateway of Okayama Steel Industrial Estate. The premises is covered with greenery, and vertical greenery system is displayed on the external walls to show our active involvement in the environment. Glass-walled head office is very bright. And once you step in its entrance, the first thing that catches your eye is a sculpture of the motif of nuts and bolts, created by a world-famous space designer and ceramicist, On the front wall at the end of the spacious entrance, there is a 220-inch LCD. The area is open to the public. The first floor is for office use. The basic color of gentle green makes for a perfect work environment for the staff. On the second floor, there is a conference room, a reception room, and an executive room. The third floor is the top floor. That has a multi-purpose room to cater for meetings and presentations, as well as a dining hall. The new factory is designed based on the idea of safety, comfort, and with good lighting for factory workers to operate in a pleasant workspace. Welding robots, an assembly line, and an inspecting room are placed on the ground floor. Assembling space is also set on the first floor. Our spacious factory is kept light, with the sunlight coming through the skylight on the ceiling and LED lamps to make it a pleasant workplace. Also, newly introduced advanced welding robots enable us to meet the various demands of customers. We have completely changed the uniform design for the factory staff. People wouldn't notice it is a factory uniform if you walked on the street with it on. This is to help our factory workers to feel comfortable in their new uniforms. Both office building and factory are designed to display our partners' products. Around 40 items of business partners' products that have been sold through Itano Kikou as a distributor have been used, such as vertical greenery system, LED lamps, and lifts. This is to show visitors and customers from all over Japan the products actually being used or operating, and to judge on the spot if they are meeting their requirements. Itano Kikou started operating in June 1946 at the current Tamachi, Kikou, Okayama City, as Itano Screw Shop to deal and fasten parts such as nuts and bolts. In 1953, it was restructured and named Itano Shop Company Limited. In 1964, the head office building was completed in the current Daiku, Kikou, Okayama City, and renamed Itano Kikou Company Limited. 10 years later, The office building was newly built in Imabu, Kikou, Okayama City. International standard was approved for environment in 2002 and for quality in 2003. Itano Kikou has kept growing, and in April this year, the new office building with welding and assembly factory was completed. The main line of Itano Kikou is fastener components, cutting components, press sheet metal welding components, and assembly components. Extensive items with an extensive stock make it possible to respond to customers' requirements quickly. We coordinate different customers' mutual standard product requirements and order in bulk to manufacturers to decrease the cost. And now, manufacturing ourselves is going to be one of the options, which would be an advantage to meet customers' requirements. By improving our production factory on top of our trading function, potentiality of the future business development has broadened. While expanding business locations in Japan, we have been preparing overseas expansion. And in July 2016, PT Matsumura Itano Indonesia will start operating in Surabaya, Indonesia. It is a component manufacturing company and joint venture with Matsumura Iron Factory in Kochi. Not only in Japan or Asia, we set our aim high to be a global company targeting the entire world. By doing so, we encourage our staff to set their goals high, and as a result of their effort, they can be proud of their work. This would enrich each staff member's personal life, as well as increasing the productivity of the whole business. We value our corporate identity to be a company to make customers happy. Itano Kikou would not be afraid of challenges and will continue to grow and develop. We work at maintaining quality to satisfy our customers and have always been aware of the environment. All of Itano Kikou staff thank you for your support to celebrate its 70th anniversary this year. Thank you.